Hi guys, it's Chris here from Some Bloke Who Travels a Lot, and today we are in Kos. More specifically, it's 6 a.m. in the morning, and I've just stepped off the overnight ferry from Athens. And the great, and I mean very great people at the Kosta Palace have arranged a really early check-in for me. First impressions are excellent. First requirements are a coffee and my bed. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm thinking this must be a dream. I arrived on the ferry from Athens, got to the port about just after 5 o'clock in the morning. So maybe, just maybe, I am in a dream, because I know I'm out of shape. But that's an exercise bike in my room. It really is. It is 6:10. I've just checked in. I mean, is somebody trying to tell me something? There is coffee. There is milk. I checked if there was milk. I'm going to put... Oh, hang on. There's a printer. There's a printer in the room. We need to put the light on here. We need to see what's going on. Okay, right, bed. That is normal. I mean, it really is 6 o'clock in the morning. Oh, I booked a business room. Okay. So to do business, you need a printer. Fantastic. You need coffee. I do know that to do business. Do you need an exercise bike? It's like one of those American films, isn't it? You know, we're working out and business, working out, and it really is 6 o'clock in the morning. If you watched any of my videos about this trip, you know I had a drink last night. Okay, how do I open this? It really is a lovely room, and I need that bed because it's 6 in the morning. Well, but so this is my balcony. So I'm going to make myself a coffee. I'm going to sit here and watch the sun come up. It's 6:10 in the morning. They have charged me for an early check-in €30. So let me go off the boat over there, about there, right? Walk sort of all the way around, got here, checked into my hotel. It cost me €30 for the early check-in. The room itself cost me €57. And there was no extra charge for the exercise bike. Right, should we do sort of something that resembles a normal room tour? So we've pillows, we've a bed. I'm really sort of seeing pretty spectacular. You know what? That is where, if you watch my videos, yeah, and if you don't, I don't know why. That is where I want to be. It's firm but not soft. It's soft but not firm. It's just perfect. Sunflowers. You're going to tell me it's a signposted telephone? No, it's not. Okay. So they had to be some fault, but everything else is just absolutely perfect. Fluffy robe, slippers, hangers, blanket, safe. Oh, go on, tell me you're attached. Right, okay. That's not perfectly attached, but you are taking the wardrobe with you. Now, normally at this point I move my bag, so you think that, whatever you think, but it is 6 in the morning. It's all here, big mirror in front of me, it's very clean, shower cap, towels. Yeah, marks that it's been cleaned. No question. Spotless. Shower. Look at the grouting. All very clean, all very good. You know what? €57. Technically today is the start of high season. You know what? Pretty good value for money. And the €30, 6 AM check-in, and the exercise bike. Well, that's priceless, my friend. That is priceless.